Hello friends, in this video I want to explain you how you can fix your Geiger counter Bereg IRI if it doesn't work. First of all, I want to say sorry about my terrible English, but I will use a simple word, so I think everything will be clear for you. So, as you can see, I have a Bereg IRI counters in my eBay store, and it's a very good device. Why? Because this device has a strong case like this. It has no LCD digits. It has only simple arrow display, and it's very hard to make this device unworkable. But sometimes a post office and postman make some things impossible possible, and you have an unworkable device. For example, your arrow is moves if you press a middle button, but your device doesn't react on the radioactive source. I have a radioactive compass, old compass, and this device doesn't react on this source. So, first of all, I want to say that all devices in my store from military stores, and they were on the long-term service, so sometimes oxide films are inside the switchers and on the battery compartment. To remove these oxide films, it's very easy to make some actions. For example, if you want to remove oxide film inside the switchers, just make turning off and turning on several dozen times, and oxide films inside the switchers will be teared off. We can cut off the oxide film inside these switches. The same actions you need to do with end plates inside the battery compartment. So, remove the batteries, use a screwdriver or any sharp object, just pull it. And if you have a sandpaper, or if you have a screwdriver or any sharp object, for example your knife, just cut off the oxide film inside this place, like this. You can use any sharp object. So we cut off oxide film inside this place and everything is fine. So let's insert the batteries inside this battery compartment. I use a scissors for this, like this. No, the wrong hole. I use the scissors for make these plates like this, and then insert the batteries. So make plates like this and insert the batteries. We have moving arrows, but it doesn't react on the radioactive source. So let's go to the stage number 2. To make operation in stage number 2, you need only a screwdrivers and your hands. So remove the batteries from the battery compartment. Okay, remove this sink from the battery compartment. Okay, it's a battery compartment cover, and you can see a screwdriver under the seal. So remove the seal like this, it's a seal, and unscrew this screw like this. It's only one screw holds this case. So we unscrew this screw. Okay, it's our screw. We can put it here and hold the bottom part and pull the up part like this. It's our top part of the device, and it's our bottom part with the motherboard. As you can see, it's a simple motherboard with the claws. One claw and another claw, and as you can see, during the transplantation the counter goes out from the claws. So push it inside the claws, and your device will be working. Let's check it. So remove these buttons use it as a bottom button and cover with a button like this. Okay, I cover it. Everything is fine. Insert the buttons like this. Insert one button, insert another button. Everything is fine. Okay. Insert the batteries. Personally, I use a scissors to make these plates like this. But you can use any instrument you wish. So, I use the scissors. I insert the batteries. Oppa! Okay. And you can hear that it's working. Let's check it. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. A little bit dangerous source of radiation. So, put the screw inside the screw hole and screw it. As you can see, everything is simple and you need only a screwdriver to make your Geiger counter working. Well done! So it works. Very simple. I think my video will be simple for you and useful for you. If you have any questions, I will answer your questions with the pleasure. Sorry for my terrible English, but I think everything is clear for you. So see you later. Bye bye.